a special day. One day our teacher announced that there was a surprise awaiting us the next day. Huh? We were asked to get whatever little pocket money we could. We were asked to get whatever little pocket money we could. We were asked to get. माने आम पॉकेट मनी धरिकी आसू ए सरप्राइज वे अवेटिंग अस नेक्स्ट डे गोटे सरप्राइज तुमको दिया जिवो द नेक्स्ट डे आवर टीचर सेड टुडे इज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे एंड यू विल बी मीटिंग मेनी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हु डू नॉट लिव विथ देयर फैमिलीज हैला से कहले बहुत ग्रैंड पेरेंट आछंती से माने हैला old age home re rahuchandi. Yes, we are going to an old age home. On the way we brought a very big cake. Okay, what a cake kinilu, chart paper and balloons kinilu. We entered an old big building. Ta bhitar pasilu gote bada building re. Later we were taken into a hall and were allowed to decorate it. से hall को हमें ताको जाके decorate करूँ. We blew balloons and hung them around the hall. We cut out chart paper, wrote quotes भी लिखिलु, drew pictures and stuck them on the wall. ताको हमें टांगिलु wall रे. Then came in. तापरे भीतर को आसिले all the grey-haired sweethearts. Some alone, some couples. Grey-haired sweethearts. सबु grey-haired लोग को मैंने सबु आसिले. सबु पाचिला बालिया. Some couples, some in groups, and some in groups and settle down. Okay, bosile, settle down. It was time to welcome them. Robert, who was a good speaker, greeted them and told them that we had come along to make their day little special. तेणु रॉबर्ट कहला समस्त greeted them and told them we had come along to make their day little special. आमे जो आसीचु हैला जे आमे जो आसीचु तांको डे टा को स्पेशल करिवो बोली. We gathered in front and started singing songs for them. आमे gathered आमे एकाठी हेलु in front को जाई एकाठी हेलु and started singing songs for them. तांको पई गीत गाइलु. Most of the people were single grandparents. Okay, single थिले couple नथिले. whose spouses had expired. कारण तांकर spouses माने husband हे परंती किंबा wife हे परंती had expired माने मरि जाजंती. The other few were couples. हैला किछि स्वामी स्त्री भी थिले. Many of them were smiling and singing along too. से माने आमो संगे भी sing करथिले. But there were a few who sat without any expression. किछि बसथिले तांकर किछि हस नाही कि कांद नाही. While some of us sang, the others sat beside them and spoke to them. आम भितर किछि गीत गाइलु आउ किछि others sat beside them. तांको पाखे पाखे बसिले and spoke to them. तांको संगे रे कथा हेले. हैला two of us cut the cake into several pieces to be distributed. ଆମ ଭିତରୁ ଦି ଜଣ केक काटिले into several pieces, बहुत छोट छोट काटिले की pieces है ना, to be distributed. तेणु सेटा सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हबो, बंटा हबो. We were informed by the caretaker that caretaker से old age home रे अछंती, ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ କହିଲେ, we are informed by the caretaker that there were diabetic people amongst them, are diabetic ଅଛି, diabetics, and they couldn't have sweets. ତାଙ୍କୁ sweets ଦବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ହେଲା. They couldn't have sweets. ସେମାନେ ଖାଇ ପାରିବେନି. He said they could have fruit instead of non-diabetic. Instead, they could have fruit. Fruit ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେ ଚଳିବ. Instead, the non-diabetics and fruit to those who were diabetic. ହେଲା. He said they could have a fruit. ହେଲା. Instead, the non-diabetics and fruit to those who are diabetic. Diabetic मानकु fruit दबाको. Many of them missed their grandchildren. Okay. ତାଙ୍କର grandchildren कौन ता पाखरे अछंती, से सब दूरे रे अछंती. ସେମାନେ miss କରୁଥିଲେ. One of them told me that her son was in US and as he found it difficult to look after her, he had left her at this home. ସେ ତ ୟୁଏସ୍ ରେ ଅଛି, ସେ ଦେଖି ପାରିବନି, ତେଣୁ ଏଇଠି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛି. As he found it difficult to look after her, ସେ look after କରିବାକୁ, ତାକୁ ଦେଖାଶୁଣା କରିବାକୁ, କେୟାର ନେବାକୁ ସେ କରିପାରିବନି, ତେଣୁ he had left her at this home. ତେଣୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଠି ଛାଡ଼ିଛି. While returning home, we realized that our grandparents are lonely and insecure. ହେଲା, ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ while returning home, ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ home କୁ return କଲି, we realized କଲୁ that grandparents were lonely and insecure. ହେଲା. ମାନେ ରିଟର୍ନିଂ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଲି, ମୁଁ ରିଅଲାଇଜ କଲି, ମୁଁ ହେଲା, ମୁଁ ଅନୁଭବ କଲି that our grandparents, ମୁଁ ତ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିକି ଆସିଲି, our grandparents are lonely and insecure. ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଏକୁଟିଆ କେମିତି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି and insecure feel କରୁଛନ୍ତି. They spend their second childhood in their old age homes. ହେଲା, ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡହୁଡ. ଏଇ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ. most of those living in old age homes do not complain. old age home ରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ complain କରନ୍ତିନି. It is left to us to decide how happy their old age can be. ହେଲା, it is left to us, ଏଟା ଆମ ଉପରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଆଯାଉଛି. ଯେ ଆମ ଉପରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଆଗଲା to decide କରିବାକୁ କଣ, how happy their old age can be. ତାଙ୍କ old age କେତେ happy କେମିତି ହବ. We do not need any special day to make them feel their worth. ହେଲା, ଆମେ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଡେ, ମଦର୍ସ ଡେ, ଫାଦର୍ସ ଡେ ଏଇଟା କିଛି ଡେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ନେ ବନେଇଲେ ଟୁ ମେକ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଫିଲ୍ ଦେୟାର ୱର୍ଥ. ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ମୂଲ୍ୟ କଣ, ହେଲା, टू मेक देम फील आमे जणेया पई तांकू जणेया को हैला एटा पई डे किसी दरकार नहीं हाँ if you have ever told them how much you love them तमे थरे कहबो कि तुमे ताऊ केते भल पाओ हाँ say it before it is too late एबे जदी तमे कहि दियो नल से मरि गले आ कहि परिबनी हैला हैं